Good morning, guys. Postman's bin. Pretty sure this will be wireless lavalier microphones. Two mic black. Okay. That's a bit squashed in there. You might know I've got two wireless microphones already. One that I use indoors and the other one stays in the car for when I need it when we're out and about. Okay, this one was £9.99. They were cheaper and they were more expensive. The cheaper ones looked identical to the ones that I've got already. These caught my eye because they appear to have pretty blue lights on the side of them, which is a bit more than my existing ones have. These just clip on. I did want to buy the ones with the big fluffy wind protectors, but I didn't. That's interesting. I wonder what they're for. Oh. No, it's not for charging. That looks like you can clip something on there. We'll have a look at the instructions in a minute. USB-C. Plug in there. Tight fit. Yeah. Then that one plugs in your phone, and if your phone needs charging at the same time, you can charge externally. Or I guess you can use that USB-C for something else if necessary. Anyway, that is there. What are we replacing? We're replacing this one, which I've got a temporary thing because I lost the original. The clip broke, so that's a 3D printed clip. It works. That bit of white on it's just so to help me find it when it's laying on the table. It works, but it's started to be intermittent. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. It may just be the USB-C port on my phone. I've got no way of knowing. I wonder if these have got any power in them. Oh, lights come on. Can we turn it off again? Yeah, it goes off again. Okay, so yeah, we've got little LED lights there. This one just has a single LED. It's just behind a tiny dot there, but you can actually see it shining through here if I press the button. Oh, battery's flat anyway. That may be the other problem. It may be that the battery in here is not holding charge. Yeah, that's completely flat. That's not even coming on. So what we'll do is we'll plug that into the phone and try it without actually putting any extra charge into one of these. Okay, can you hear me? 1 2 1 2, as they like to say. Don't get anything from the other two little LEDs there, but we do appear to have a permanent glow that probably means it's working. What I'll do is I'll stop filming and play it back and see if we're actually using it. Well, it does work. We are recording through that microphone. And I just realised I was saying this one, the LED wasn't coming on. I don't know if we can see it in there. Yeah, there we are. It is on. I was looking the wrong direction. I was looking up that way. But you can actually see it there. So the battery wasn't completely flat on that one. But it doesn't link to this one. Well, I wouldn't expect it to. I suppose I could try and switch that one off. Right, hopefully back to that one again. Yeah, that one didn't link up to the transmitter or receiver, whichever way around you want to call it. I didn't expect it to, but I just thought I'd try it. So yeah, looks like we got a working thingy. What happens if I try and switch this one on? Can we get two at once? Are we recording on this one as well? We'll find out when we play back. Well, it does work. We can record on both microphones at once. Wonderful. So I suppose that's when you want to interview someone and you can use two microphones. Brilliant. £9.99. One extra test while I think about it. I've got the power lead plugged in through the adapter or whatever we want to call it, receiver, to see whether we get any noise from the power going into it. So it's plugged into the USB supply. Don't know if that makes any sense. But I seem to remember on the other wireless microphone, we actually got a bit of a hum from the power. We'll see. I'll play it back and find out. That's what I'm talking about. That was plugged into the phone. That's the receiver for the wireless microphone. And you can power or charge your phone at the same time by plugging USB supply into it while it's plugged into your phone. And I just played it back and it was crystal clear, so it's not a problem. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.